Jazz.
Hi.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
It's Jazzy.
It's Jazzy.
So today we're gonna do a Jazzy toy review. Show the camera what you got, Jazz.
I got PlayDoh and it's just batter.
So we got the PlayDoh Fun Factory. And what does it have in here? Let's see. Let's show the YouTube viewers. Okay. All right, let's open it. You ready to open it?
Yeah.
Let's do this. Okay. Have a moment to open it. Give me 1 second, okay? Let me see. It's okay, I can open it for you. Yeah, Mommy will open it. Open. Open. Thanks. Okay. Let's see what you got. Cool. What do you see? What do you see? Whoa! What'd you get? One purple Play-Doh. 2 Play-Dohs. And let's shake and get it out. Okay, I'll help you. And you got a factory presser. Cool.
Mommy, I have a pillow.
Okay.
Let's do orange.
Orange. So you got orange and purple.
Orange.
Okay, I'll open your orange Play-Doh for you. Cool. Whoa. Say hi, Shag. Say hi, Shaggy. Okay. Wow, you got Play-Doh. Cool. And you can put some in here.
Yeah.
These are like press. Oh, cool. And I think you do like that. Oh, I think you can do it like this, Mama. Like this. Like this. Look.
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
And try it. Oh, good job, Jazz. Do you want to show all the YouTubers your new prize over there? What'd you get yesterday for your new prize? Good job. Jazzy, you want to show all the YouTubers your new prize you got?
Yeah.
Right there. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let Mommy see. Can I see?
Yeah.
Show it. Let me see. Cool. What about your new prize over there?
I don't know. Purples.
Purples?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'll hold it for you. I'll help you. Hold it. Okay. Say hi, Shag. Jazz and Shag. Here you go. Whoa. Okay, you gonna play with your toys? All right. Say, this is pretty cool Play-Doh. Okay. Bye, Jazz. Say bye to everybody. Say bye, Jazz.
Bye.
Say like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.
Say bye, Shaggy. Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Don't forget, leave a comment.
Bye.
Say like, comment, and subscribe. Say bye.